Are you tired of calling a professional for every small household repair? Whether you're fixing a leaky faucet or assembling furniture, having the right hand tools in your toolkit can make all the difference. Today, we're going to talk about 7 essential hand tools that every homeowner should have. These tools are durable, easy to use, and versatile enough to handle a variety of tasks around the house. If you want to save time, money, and effort, keep watching to find out which tools can make your life a whole lot easier. Number 1. Jorest 38-Piece Small Precision Screwdriver Set. The Jorest 38-Piece Small Precision Screwdriver Set is a must-have for any homeowner, especially when dealing with electronics or small appliances. This set is thoughtfully designed, offering a range of small, precise screwdrivers that are perfect for working on delicate devices like smartphones, laptops, or toys. Each screwdriver has a non-slip handle, providing maximum comfort and control while you work. The quality of these screwdrivers is impressive. They are made from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, known for its durability and rust resistance. The tips are magnetized, which makes it easier to handle screws without dropping them, especially in tight spots. The set includes multiple sizes and types of screwdrivers, including flathead and Phillips, ensuring you have the right tool for various tasks. Whether you're repairing electronics or tightening screws on small household gadgets, this set gives you the flexibility to get the job done quickly and efficiently. The Jorest screwdriver set is compact and comes with a sturdy storage case, making it easy to organize and store. The set's portability ensures you can take it anywhere, so you'll always have the right tool on hand, no matter where you go.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. WorkPro Premium Utility Knife. The WorkPro Premium Utility Knife is another essential tool for every homeowner. This utility knife is known for its durability and versatility, perfect for a variety of tasks around the home, from cutting through packaging to slicing materials like cardboard, carpet, or even leather. The knife features a robust, ergonomic handle that provides a secure, comfortable grip, even during extended use. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the blade of the WorkPro utility knife is razor-sharp, ensuring clean cuts every time. It's designed for easy blade replacement, allowing you to switch out dull blades with minimal effort. The knife comes with a quick blade change mechanism that makes swapping blades simple and safe. This is especially important if you're working on multiple projects and need a fresh, sharp edge. In terms of durability, the WorkPro utility knife stands out. It's built to last even with heavy use. The blade lock feature ensures the blade stays in place during cutting, reducing the risk of accidents. Plus, the knife has a slim profile, so it's easy to store in your tool drawer or carry with you in a toolbox. Number 3. Allway CT31 3-in-1 Caulk Tool. The Allway CT31 3-in-1 Caulk Tool is a game-changer for homeowners who frequently tackle home improvement or maintenance projects. This tool is designed to help you apply, smooth, and remove caulk effortlessly. Whether you're sealing gaps around windows, doors, or bathtubs, this caulking tool will make your job faster and more professional looking. Made from durable plastic and stainless steel, the Allway CT31 is built to withstand heavy use without breaking or bending. Its ergonomic handle ensures a firm grip and comfort during use, preventing hand strain. The 3-in-1 design is incredibly practical, combining 3 essential functions into one tool. It has a scraper edge for removing old caulk, a caulking finisher to smooth out the new caulk, and a caulk removal blade to easily clear away excess material. The tool's compact size makes it easy to store, and its versatility ensures you'll reach those hard-to-get spots without a problem. The Allway CT31 is not only effective but also saves you time and effort, giving your caulking jobs a professional finish every time. Number 4. Wgge 015 Professional 8 Wire Stripper. If you frequently handle electrical tasks, the Wgge 015 Professional 8 Wire Stripper should be a part of your toolkit. This high-quality tool is designed to strip wire insulation without damaging the wire itself, making it an essential tool for electrical work, whether you're installing new lighting or fixing faulty wiring. The 8 length offers ample leverage, ensuring ease of use, while the ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Made from carbon steel, the Wgge wire stripper is built to last, and features a precision ground cutting edge that allows for clean, accurate stripping. The tool's built-in wire cutter makes it even more versatile, letting you cut wires and cables in a single motion. The adjustable stripping jaws ensure it can handle a wide range of wire gauges, from thin wires to thicker cables, making it perfect for various electrical tasks. Its compact size makes it easy to store in your toolbox, and the sturdy construction ensures it will withstand heavy-duty use. With the white Wgge 015, you'll be able to tackle your electrical projects with confidence and ease. Number 5. Kaverme 3-Piece Precision Tweezers Set. For tasks that require extra precision, the Kaverme 3-Piece Precision Tweezers Set is an essential tool for any homeowner. This set includes 3 different tweezers, each designed for specific tasks such as fine detail work, picking up small items, or working in tight spaces. The tweezers are made from high-quality stainless steel, making them resistant to corrosion and ensuring they will last for years. The design of these tweezers is sleek and ergonomic, offering a comfortable grip that prevents slippage during use. Whether you're working on delicate electronics, fixing jewelry, or even performing small household repairs, these precision tweezers give you the control you need to handle tiny components with ease. The set includes pointed, slanted, and flat-tip tweezers, each offering a different level of precision and versatility. The tips are finely crafted to grip even the smallest of objects, while the stainless steel material ensures durability and reliability. If you're into DIY projects or home maintenance, this set of tweezers will quickly become a go-to tool in your collection. Number 6. Elead 31-Piece Hex Key Set. The Elead 31-Piece Hex Key Set is an indispensable addition to any homeowner's toolbox, particularly for those who frequently work with furniture assembly, bikes, or automotive repairs. This comprehensive set includes a wide range of hex keys, both metric and imperial, ensuring you have the right tool for every job. The set is made from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, known for its toughness and corrosion resistance. Each key in the Elead set is designed for precision, with chamfered edges that make it easy to insert and remove screws without damaging the fastener. The L-shaped design of the keys provides ample leverage, allowing you to apply maximum torque without stripping the screw head. The set also includes a handy holder to keep the keys organized and easily accessible. Whether you're working on a bike, assembling furniture, or tightening screws on appliances, this set ensures you can tackle a variety of tasks efficiently. The Elead Hex Key Set is durable, versatile, and reliable, making it a great investment for homeowners who want to be prepared for any task that comes their way. And number 7. Wgge Silicone Caulking Tools 3-in-1. The Wgge Silicone Caulking Tools 3-in-1 is a fantastic tool for any homeowner who wants to tackle caulking projects with ease and precision. This tool combines 3 essential features: a silicone caulk remover, a smoothing tool, and a finishing tool, all in one convenient design. Whether you're resealing around bathtubs, showers, or sinks, this tool helps you get the job done faster and with a cleaner finish. The tool is made from high-quality silicone and durable plastic, ensuring it can withstand repeated use. The ergonomic handle is comfortable to grip, reducing hand strain during long caulking sessions. The caulk removal blade is sharp enough to remove old caulk without damaging the surface underneath, while the smoothing tool helps you create a clean, professional finish by evenly distributing the caulk along the seams. The Wgge Silicone Caulking Tool is easy to clean and store, making it a practical addition to your toolkit. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a homeowner looking to improve the look of your home, this 3-in-1 caulking tool will help you complete your projects more efficiently. In conclusion, having the right hand tools can make a significant difference in the ease and quality of your home repairs. From small precision screwdrivers to multifunctional caulking tools, these 7 hand tools will give you the versatility and reliability you need for every job. With the right tools in your arsenal, you'll be able to tackle DIY projects and repairs like a pro, saving both time and money. Happy repairing!